Let's face it, we're all in crypto at least to some extent because we feel like there's financial gain to be had. But that doesn't really put it into perspective. For most of us investing in crypto, we believe it can take us to an entirely new financial level. For younger people, that may just mean enough money to be able to live on their own. For more established people, it may mean becoming totally financially independent and being able to retire early enough to enjoy their money. At the end of the day, the average person is only interested in crypto because they think it can help them achieve their financial goals, whatever they may be. So, what is the easiest way to become rich in cryptocurrency? Today, we're going to be taking a look at 3 different ways you can become rich through crypto. Let's get it. Hello and welcome to BitBoy Crypto, your one-stop shop for all things related to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I make videos on this channel almost every day. If you like what you hear or see, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button, click the bell to turn on notifications. If you'd like to take the conversation further, ask me personal questions or anything about crypto, then please join my Telegram group, the Bit Squad. Now, first and foremost, before we get started with this video, it is very important to understand that cryptocurrency is a speculative asset. What does that exactly mean? Well, let's take a look at the definition of speculative asset. A speculative asset is one that involves a high risk of loss. That means most likely you may lose all your money. You may invest and then no guaranteed returns could come. A better word for this is gambling. When you invest in cryptocurrency, you are gambling, point blank, period. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the highest risk way to become rich in crypto. If that sounds exciting to you, then there's definitely something wrong with you. But because I'm a nice guy, I'm going to show it to you anyways. Now, you may be the type of person who believes in the underlying technology beneath Bitcoin called blockchain. You may believe that Bitcoin is the hardest money we've ever seen. You may believe that decentralization is the future and the world will be decentralized. But all those beliefs are rooted in the idea that the world is ready to be changed. What if blockchain never catches on or is passed by another technology? What if the world isn't ready for economic change? What if decentralization just turns out to be a buzzword that we use in crypto and it never materializes? The thing about cryptocurrency is that it really is just based on ideals. But those ideals have not really seemed to have had an impact on the prices in this new asset class. In fact, we've seen more development in crypto during the bear market while the prices have remained lower than we ever saw in the bull run. This is why crypto prices are so speculative. There doesn't really seem to be any connection between the development of products in this space and the price of the tokens that often accompany those products. I mean, we really don't even know what Bitcoin is classified as at this point. First designed to be electronic cash for a digital economy, it certainly now is looking more like an intangible, tangible asset. That seems like a contradiction, but it's intangible because it's purely digital computer code, and yet at the same time, it's held the same way that people would hold an asset like gold or silver. So now that we've established that investing in cryptocurrency at this point really is gambling because this is so new, congratulations for making it this far in the video. Because I believe that this is a gamble worth taking. If you're feeling lucky, where should you put your money? And by money, I mean, of course, an amount of money that you can afford to lose. So let's take a look at the 3 basic ways you could possibly become a crypto millionaire and which one is the easiest. The first way is what we in crypto call hodling Bitcoin. This term comes from a Bitcoin Talk forum in 2013 when user GameCube stated that he is terrible at trading, so he just was going to hold his Bitcoin investment. But he accidentally had a typo in the message and the term just stuck. The point is, for some people, they don't want to get involved in the day-to-day swings of Bitcoin. They simply want to buy Bitcoin and hold it because they believe in the long run that the price is going to go way up. So in some ways, this is the easiest way to become a crypto millionaire, but is it feasible? If we were to assume that Bitcoin were to hit $100,000 in the next 18 months, then it's super easy to become a millionaire. All you would have to do is buy 10 Bitcoin and just sit on it. However, in America, 78% of people live paycheck to paycheck. So a $92,000 investment in Bitcoin is just not reasonable for most. But if you have that type of disposable income, then it is certainly the easiest way to become a crypto millionaire. You literally just have to buy it and wait for the price to skyrocket. And we all believe that this is going to happen. So for hodling, the risk is relatively low, but still higher than investing in a stock. One of the problems with hodling, though, is that at some point, to make money, you have to cash out. And hodlers tend to see incredible growth during bull markets, but then they also hodl Bitcoin back down to the lower prices, losing out on a lot of profits. But if you know when to cash out, have the disposable income to invest in several Bitcoin, then this is the easiest way to become a crypto millionaire. And over time, the stats have shown that. The second investment strategy is investing in altcoins. I separate investing altcoins from investing in Bitcoin because altcoins are a much riskier endeavor. Their volatility is absolutely insane. Altcoins are the way that many people changed their financial lives in 2016 to 2017. However, for those people who bought altcoins at the end of 2017, they basically lost all their money. Many altcoins lost 96 to 98% of their value, while Bitcoin itself lost about 85% at its low. This method is not nearly as easy as hodling. Why, you ask? Well, because there's no research with hodling. With investing in altcoins, you have to be able to dig through a lot of garbage projects, do your own research, and find those low-cap gems. Trying to do this in a bear market is next to impossible because all of those coins lose value for the most part. However, most of us believe that we are heading directly for another huge bull run, and finding the gems will become much easier because there will just be more of them. Believe it or not, there were many coins and tokens in 2016 and 2017 that not only went up in price, but absolutely exploded. Many coins saw anywhere from 100x to 1000x gains. This means if you invested $100 in the right coin, you could have been sitting on 100K. I personally knew some people who invested $500 in certain projects and became millionaires from those investments alone. This method can be very risky though, as most small cap projects will never improve. Later this week, I'm going to be doing a video on low cap gems for you guys to research. Now, if you're interested in investing in altcoins and you live in most states in the United States, the best place to trade is Binance US. If you'd like to give Binance a try, make sure to visit binance.bitboy.live to sign up and you'll get $15 for free just for using my link. Okay, so the third and most difficult strategy is trading. This is where you buy a crypto asset at one price and sell it at a higher price, and then you repeat it over and over again. It's not easy though, as it takes a lot of research and for the most part is very hands-on. During a bear market like we've been through recently, only the most skilled traders were able to make a profit. However, once the market officially is back on the upswing, which most of us believe right now we are right on the precipice of, trading can be extremely profitable for even novice traders. There are many groups people can join that can show you how to make the right calls, but you will have to pay for those signals. But there's a deeper layer, a dark underbelly of crypto trading. This is where only the most insane and degenerate people go to either see huge profits or to become homeless. This is the world of leverage trading. Leverage trading, also known as margin trading, is where legends are forged or lives are destroyed. Leverage trading is when you are able to basically trade with other people's money. When you win, you can win big. You can actually win much more than you could with a standard trade. However, if you lose, you can lose 100% of your investment. People have made so much money leverage trading that they've retired off just a few trades. On the other hand, people have literally committed suicide from losing all their money with this type of trading. It is the highest risk method of investing in cryptocurrency. With high risk comes high reward. Now, if you're an experienced trader and you'd like to try out a margin trading platform like Bybit, they're offering up to $300 free until tomorrow. After tomorrow, you can still get $60 for free with my link, bybit.bitboy.live. Now, US citizens may have to use a VPN to sign up, but you just have to use it one time. The easiest way, in my opinion, to do this is with the VPN mobile app. I'll put it on the screen. You can look it up in the App Store. But guys, you got to remember, margin trading is very dangerous, so don't come to me if you lose all your money. I told you it might happen. Now, next week, I'm going to be doing a top margin trading video on different platforms, so if you're a total degenerate, come back and check that out. There's a new margin trading platform I'm going to tell you guys about that you guys probably have not even seen yet, and it's by one of the original founders of Bybit. But guys, on the real, I believe we are all going to be mega rich during this next bull run. That's not smoke. I know the bear market has been tough, but I believe we will all be rich, and I believe it from the bottom of my heart and deep down in my soul. But just because I believe it that passionately does not mean it's a sure thing. I certainly hope that I'm correct, but remember, crypto is speculative. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button, but please don't break your computer. It probably costs a lot of money. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.